The Vitamix Professional 750 Blender. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Vitamix Professional 750 Blender. Vitamix is known for their high-end blenders that are used by professionals and regular consumers. This blender comes with a lot of features from making smoothies all the way to making soups. I will do an unboxing, go over the features, and do a quick demo along with the cleaning cycle. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. This is the 750 Heritage G Series version. This version has 5 programmable presets, variable speed control, and a pulse control. It comes in 3 styles: copper, brushed stainless, and black. This is the brushed stainless metal finish. Inside you get a user guide, and a hardcover recipe book. It comes with the low profile 64-ounce container, the tamper, and the base. The base has a good amount of weight to it. You will immediately notice that this is made of some serious quality. It feels very solid and has a nice stainless finish all around. This is powered by a 2.2 peak horsepower motor. On the left it has the pulse switch, and on the right you have the start-stop switch. To the left of the knob you have 5 programmable presets. The program settings allows you to choose from smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, purees, and a clean cycle. The right side of the knob you have the variable speed settings from 1 to 10. The switches and knobs have a nice feel to it, and it does not feel loose at all. You can see the nice brushed stainless finish that wraps around, and the side has the on and off switch. On the bottom you have a cable management to wrap the power cable and adjust the length accordingly. You also have 4 rubber feet on the corners for stability. The back has the vents. And the top has a centering pad and the drive socket. The container is a low profile with 64-ounce capacity. It feels solid all around and has a plastic handle. The sides have the measurements. And you can see the bottom has the metal gear. The top cover has a cap that you can twist off, so you can use the tamper for guiding and pushing contents down. The tamper is designed so it won't touch the blade. The cover has a thick, flexible rubber feel to it. Removing it is a matter of lifting up each side. Inside, you can see the metal blade. So now I will show you a quick demo on making a smoothie. We have various fresh and frozen fruits and vegetables that we will use. You want to start with the liquid contents first, fresh ingredients, then the frozen on top. Once the ingredients are inside, secure the lid and turn the knob to the preset setting. Tap the start switch. After letting it run through the program cycle, you can see the finished product. The consistency is very smooth and fine, and you don't get any chunks. The blender also has a clean cycle. Just fill the container about halfway with warm water and a few drops of dish soap. Turn the knob to the clean mode and press the start switch. This will run for about 30 to 60 seconds, and you can rinse out the container afterwards. The Vitamix 750 Professional Blender. This is an awesome blender for those that are serious in the kitchen. Having owned a few regular blenders in the past, I can say without a doubt that this blender is definitely a big step up. I've been using it for smoothies and it works great. The consistency it puts out is very good and it's able to blend with no issues. You have a lot of flexibility from making soups, sauces, desserts, smoothies, and much more. The company also warranties the product for 7 years. So that is definitely an added plus on your investment. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.